Welcome to the Chain Reactions Whiteboard series. If you find this content interesting, be sure to like and subscribe. This is not financial advice. Have you ever heard of Bitcoin's 4-year cycle? It's a fascinating phenomenon that has caught the attention of investors and traders alike. But before we delve into that, we need to understand Bitcoin's token economics. Bitcoin's maximum supply is fixed at 21 million, and the circulating supply it currently stands at 19,357,943. But how do we reach the maximum supply? The answer is Bitcoin mining. Bitcoin miners play a crucial role in supporting the blockchain by running a unique algorithm on specialized computers. In return for their service, they receive newly minted Bitcoin, which are added to the circulating supply. Now here's where it gets interesting. Every 4 years, the amount of Bitcoin miners receive is halved, and this event is known as the halving, and it marks the beginning of Bitcoin's 4-year cycle. According to the laws of supply and demand, when the supply of Bitcoin entering the market is halved, but the demand remains the same or increases, the value of Bitcoin should rise. Bitcoin's 4-year cycle has 4 distinct phases, each lasting from months to years, depending on market conditions. The first phase is the halving phase, also known as the continuation phase. During this phase, the Bitcoin halving occurs, and the price of Bitcoin begins to trend upwards. The supply of Bitcoin on exchanges begins to shrink as buyers begin to buy and hold Bitcoin. The second phase is the all-time high phase. This is also known as the bull phase. This phase is characterized by exponential upward moving prices, which surpass the previous all-time highs, creating new ones. However, this phase is very volatile, with rapid price increases followed by corrections. The third phase is the dip or correction phase. Following the excitement of the all-time high phase, the market sees a major correction to the downside. Previous dips have resulted in an 80% drawdown and negative price action for about a year. Finally, we have the reset or accumulation phase. During this phase, prices are still low, and Bitcoin buyers will typically attempt to accumulate cheaper Bitcoin. Prices usually fluctuate in a tight range near the bottom. And there you have it, the 4-year cycle of Bitcoin, a fascinating phenomenon driven by the interplay between supply and demand. Thanks for watching. If you found this content interesting, be sure to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you would like me to include in my future whiteboard series.